kind of capacity they have to do in life, and they can prove in every sphere, may it be politics, may it be household, or maybe clothes, jewelry, business, whatever. Asha comes from a very orthodox family, and she had no exposures at all. And when the chance being given to her, she is employing 800 craftsmen, but in altogether a source of bread and butter to nearly 10,000 people today. So there are so many women. I don't know why the men folk, we don't even let them go ahead for our egos, male egos, what you call it. But the capacity they have to work. My elder sister here, Rajkumari Agarwal, she started this club years ago. I think it's more than 50 years now. And the amount of work she is doing, and I've been there many times, she invites me, and I have to cut a check, of course. But she is doing wonderful job. Hats off to her. So Anju Modi, another our awardee here today, she started her career with a bicycle. Can you believe that? And today she is one of the top designers of this country, and from bicycle to Rolls Royce. Employing so many people, giving so much to the nation and our country, it is really commendable. And apart from all our dancers here, Sonalji, she is so talented, my goodness. More than anything else, her creativity, her innovations, all the time she is working. I think while she is sitting here, must be planning something to do next. But her creations are beyond imagination. When I go to, sometimes I have to accompany my wife because she goes a lot of work to do at Khajuraho or Konark temple and all that. The mudras or the naikas, what they're sculptured in those temples, Sonalji bring it out, all of them. It's really, too much. I have no words. A big applause for her. अभी ऐसे देखिए कथक में हमें उमा जी हैं, कितना कमाल का। मैं आपको सच बताता हूँ अपने दिल की बात, अगर भगवान कृष्ण का साक्षात दर्शन मुझे किसी ने कराया है तो उमा that was just only with her bhav, with her expression, with her emotions, and that's it. That's the truth. She was dancing. I was not a fan of her, and I just went to IIC once in the evening, and it was Janmashtami, I believe, because you normally do there. I can't forget that day. I could see Lord Krishna all through by her expressions. So this is what we call is the power of women, which can take our country to I don't know where. मेनका जी हमारे बीच बैठी हैं, आज कोई सोचता है एनिमल्स के लिए? इट इज सच अ बिग जॉब। इंसानों के लिए नहीं कोई सोचता है, जानवरों के लिए, स्ट्रे डॉग्स के लिए, एनिमल्स के लिए। इट इज कमेंडेबल जॉब व्हिच शी इज डूइंग। वी हैव टू रिस्पेक्ट हर एंड वी हैव टू सपोर्ट हर बाय ऑल आवर पॉसिबल। हम लोग बहुत क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं क्योंकि कई बार मैंने सुना है इधर उधर लोग बात कि ये ठीक नहीं कर रही है। क्या ठीक नहीं कर रही है? एक जानवर की दिल की बात को समझना और उसकी मदद करना, वो बेजुबान जानवर है बेचारा, उसके पास कुछ नहीं अपना अधिकार मांगने के लिए। तो हमारे देश की इतनी बड़ी हस्ती अगर उनकी आवाज़ को उठाना चाहती हैं तो इससे और बड़ी बात क्या होगी। मोहिनी गिरी जी, आप देखिए कि इसमें वृंदावन में इतनी सारी वहाँ पर बंगालें जो विडोज हैं, कौन सोच रहा है उनके बारे में? हमारे कृष्ण ने सोचा था। 16,000 रानियां जो उनकी थीं, वो सब इसी तरह से सताई हुई थीं, जिनको उन्होंने शेल्टर ही नहीं दिया बल्कि रानी का दर्जा दिया, उनके साथ शादी की और अपने महलों में रखा। और आज की दुनिया में कौन सोच रहा है उनके बारे में? लेकिन ये रेगुलर वहाँ जाती हैं और इनका कमाल देखो। मतलब मुझे तो कभी कभी बड़ी हैरत होती है कि अगर एक बंगाली विडो वहाँ मर जाए तो उसकी अर्थी उठाने वाली भी 4 बंगाल नहीं होती हैं, मर्द उसको मदद करने नहीं आता है। तो ऐसे में ऐसी समाज के इस वर्ग को संभालने के लिए। ऐसे तो बहुत और ऐसे काम कर रही हैं मोहिनी जी जिनका कि कोई जोड़ नहीं है, बट दैट इज समथिंग वेरी वेरी ग्रेट। So I will once again thank everybody here. Vajanti Mala ji, I don't want to tell you her age because you will be quite disheartened or maybe shocked. She is 20 नहीं शायद 22 साल तक इन्होंने हमारे स्क्रीन पे राज किया। बेस्ट ऑफ द एक्टर्स, बेस्ट ऑफ द डायरेक्टर्स, और एक मद्रासन होके गंगा जमुना में जो इन्होंने भोजपुरी बोली है, मुझे तो आज तक लगता है कि वो डब होगी। I can't believe it, but she says no. I learned it and then I spelled out each and every dialogue of that film until संघर्ष। फिर उसके बाद पॉलिटिक्स, हमेशा लड़के आए, सिर्फ एक बार शायद इनको राज्यसभा से मौका दिया गया, बट शी ऑलवेज फॉट फॉर द इलेक्शन एंड शी वाज वन। एंड भरतनाट्यम आई मीन उनके रोम रोम में बसा हुआ है। तो ये जो इतने 3 फील्ड्स में उन्होंने मास्टरी हायर की है, मैं तब उनसे कह रहा था आप साध्वी और हो जाएगी, क्योंकि दैट्स अ वेरी बिग इंडस्ट्री इन अवर कंट्री दीस डेज। हमें सोनल जी तो कर ही रही हैं कथा, मैंने कहा आप थोड़ा सा और हो जाओ, मुझे भी अपना चेला बना लेना। तो आप ये देखिए कि हम लोगों से 60 और नाम 61 ना, सो उतनी एक्सरसाइज और वो सब नहीं होता जो नियरली 80 में जाके। उससे बोली मोदी साहब आप कितना नचवाएंगे मुझे? मैंने कहा 40 मिनट बहुत होता है। मैं डर रहा था कि शायद ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा होगा। बोली 40 मिनट क्या होगा इतने में, मेरा तो कुछ भी नहीं दिखा पाऊंगी, कम से कम 1.5 घंटा। At the age of nearly 80 is commendable. So hats off to the women of this country, hats off to the power of the women of this country.
And as Kamalji said, we will now have Bharatanatyam performance by Dr. Vajanti Malapalli.
दावे के साथ कह सकता हूँ जितनी डांसर्स आज यहाँ बैठी हैं, किसी भी फील्ड से क्यों ना हो, जल भरी होंगी, उनको रात को नींद नहीं आएगी।
It has been a beautiful journey, very strugglesome, lot of hard work, lot of innovation, and I think joint effort of my husband and myself and children, which has brought us till here. I have tried to incorporate all the states, the art of all the states in our country, because we are filled up with that. Our temples are the representatives of what we live. The culture itself denominates jewelry so beautifully. And I think gold was the thing which I could never touch for the simple reason that it was beyond my reach. I wanted to do something on my own. Though now it has become a parallel field with the gold jewelry. But I didn't know at that time that this was the revolution which was taking place. My unconscious effort of doing it in silver. Now I think silver and gold is parallel. and silver has become equally expensive, if not more expensive than gold in so many things. And I feel very happy that I had the luxury and God gave me this chance to start a new career line for the young generation. I think I've always enjoyed doing the traditional jewelry, though I have done a lot of modern jewelry and abstract jewelry for the countries abroad. But I realized ultimately it is the traditional jewelry which is most popular in all parts of the world, whether I sell it in US or either I sell in Paris. Even it is amazing, in Paris I sell the traditional jewelry. The Kundan jewelry sells so beautifully over there. So it just shows that we have something great to offer to the world and we are trying.
कहते हैं ना, सरापा हुस्न बन जाता है जिसके हुस्न का आशिक, भला ए दिल हंसी ऐसा भी कोई है हसीनों में. म्यूज़िक, आर्ट, क्राफ्ट, jewelry designing, everything is all a part of one creative अंदर जो तरंग चलती है इंसान के. So and I've been always very admirant of Asha Kamal Modi ji's jewelry, because she designs very minutely, बहुत ख्याल रख के बारीक में. And today they are celebrating 25 years of womanhood, which is very great.
Art Karat is artistic, beautiful, value for money, and very, very desirable, I would say. So it kind of says it all. I have always admired, the very wonderful thought behind making a lot of very beautiful traditional jewelry wearable, and also making the thought process, of Asha ji to put it into the modern perspective, which I find it really, really nice, and have myself seen, a lot of people wear her jewelry, which really makes a mark, when you don't want to really go like a Christmas tree, but it looks extremely elegant and very beautiful.
Art Karat jewelry is very beautiful, and it is very aesthetic. It brings the old values and old kind of ornaments in our life, which we were about to forget. And I really am wearing, what I am wearing is theirs, and it is made out of lion nails, I think. And the new creation, which is temple creation, is also very beautiful. It reminds you of gods and goddesses. You feel very peaceful wearing it, and it's very poetic. As a writer, I can say it inspires me, and I do get inspiration, and I do write something wearing it. I enjoy, as I'm an aesthetic person.
I find the Art Karat jewelry very bewitching, very attractive, and for everybody, for all pockets, very affordable, and it's aesthetic. She also has taken all the traditional designs and brought them to the layperson who were not even aware of that designing, and also adapted a lot of modern stones and pearls and spread this awareness all over. Very attractive, very lovely.
Art Karat, it's lovely, good looking, very beautiful, very impressive. One feels like really wearing them, and just take it. Absolutely fascinating.
Art Karat jewelry is very beautiful, and they've made fake jewelry into an art form, which is really, really good. So it's kept many of the workers in work, and it's not so expensive that everybody gets frightened. And a long time ago they had done a fundraiser for People for Animals, which is one of the reasons why I'm here.
मैं समझती हूँ कि लेडीज़ बहुत खूबसूरत होती हैं, लेकिन ज्वेलरी के बिना उनका श्रृंगार अधूरा है, और अगर आर्ट कराट की ज्वेलरी पहन लेती हैं तो उनका 16 श्रृंगार कंप्लीट हो जाता है. जैसे चेहरे पे सिंदूर की लाली से जो चमक आती है, ज्वेलरी में आर्ट कराट की ज्वेलरी वैसे ही सिंदूर की लालिमा देती है, और औरत के लिए गहना तो बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो श्रृंगार हमेशा इनकम्प्लीट रहता है, और आर्ट कराट की ज्वेलरी पहन लें तो वो गजब ढाता है.
Experience with Art Karat has been most beautiful, most heart touching, because 25 years ago, it so happened I was in a hostel in Aga Khan Hall, and Asha started with a very small little exhibition. Those were the days where we didn't have that much of money to buy that kind of jewelry. Even then, she was affordable, and I bought a piece which I'm still carrying 25 years after. I thought, because I come from a city of jewels, that is Jaipur, where everything is precious. The word semi-precious was not heard, and it was taken as something downgraded. But with Kamalji and Ashaji, together they have given a stone a life. The semi-precious stone has now become so precious to ladies, for which it matters, even now men, that I don't think I think about the gold as such. I have now taken their concept as part of my life. Wear something which makes you look elegant, beautiful, most sought after. Asha's art carat is a really art of carats.
Art carat, I love art carat, and it's very authentic. It expresses a woman. The workmanship, the craftsmanship with art carat is simply beautiful, simple, and that's all about, I would say. And I think so Asha ji and the whole group of art carat is doing a real good job giving another form of jewelry, which like certainly sometimes you in the market you can't find what you're looking for, but art carat I would say is one place where you could find different kind of designs under one roof.
Art carat has been a very wonderful ornaments for women, and the design is really enchanting, and the jewelry has to enhance the beauty of the woman, and the woman has to enhance the beauty of the jewelry. So both together it becomes a very wonderful experience. So we are very, I think most of the women are very happy with the art carat. Yes.
And art carat is a very small step towards.
And what's your future vision?
After having 25 years.
My future vision is my children who are taking over art carat and doing in spreading it all over the world, and I see them grow bigger and bigger.
Thank you so much.
And the art carat jewelry, I've been seeing it from the time it has been started, and the progress they've made and the designs that they want to revive the older traditions are very nice. They are very wearable, and for a lot of people they have been the sole collection, I would say.
Art carat jewelry is unusual, unique, beautiful, handcrafted, and my favorite. I saw art carat, the first exhibition that was put up in Lodi Hotel then. Now Lodi Hotel isn't there anymore, and the pieces I bought then have become items of discussion in many drawing rooms. Beautiful Srinathji and some of the rare pieces. She hasn't repeated them. That's one thing that she doesn't repeat. And art carat has this great respect for quality, which I find is fascinating, because these days once you succeed, then slowly quality is given and that is a very, very big thing.
And I think that jewelry is exquisite. Unfortunately, I am not the kind of person who goes jewelry shopping, but if I was ever to do that, the first place that I would go to would be art carat. I mean, she really has a very good design sense. So my experience has been exposure to the photographs of art carat, and the jewelry. When I just walked in here, I couldn't take my eyes off from the pieces. I told her, in fact. So that's been my experience. Art carat, I think, defines womanhood in the sense of femininity and elegance.
I think art carat is two very important things. It's a very good mixture of very traditional jewelry in a very affordable price.
Art carat has been quite an inspiration for me, because I think I was one of the first clients of art carat when Asha Bhabhi was when she was dealing out of a briefcase. So my association with them is a shared journey with art carat. I think the quality is unsurpassable, and many people have tried copying it and imitating it, but nobody can reach to the quality and even the designing of the jewelry.
And Asha and Kamal, I love them. They are creative and they are doing very well. They respect everybody, and they are doing a lot for charity also. Art Carrot is the thing when they started. So costume jewelry was not so popular at that time because they think it is artificial. But after Art Carrot, everybody likes to wear. And when you go abroad or in traveling, we also prefer to wear Art Carrot.
Well, Art Carrot is aesthetics, beauty, contemporary and tradition coming together. Very much like our work, we retain what is beautiful in the tradition and try to make it as relevant and contemporary as possible. And I feel about 20 years back, I must have bought a beautiful piece from Asha for my dance, and I treasure that because I wear it for special occasions. And it's totally contemporary, yet it's the stones are like temple jewelry. So I think this temple collection that she's doing now is such a unique kind of a thing, because I said this blend of the old and the new is what I really love about Asha. And as a person, she's very special as well, because she puts in her own experiences into what she does, and that's what each one of us does. Our frame of reference, whatever we are and what our lives are, has to be reflected in our art, and that's exactly what she does, and that's why she's so special.
कैरेट पर ज्वेलरी का इतना बढ़िया डिज़ाइन है, एंटीक पीसेस है, देखने में लगता है बस सब कुछ कर ही ले। वो इतना बढ़िया उनका सिलेक्शन है, मैंने तो ऐसा कहीं भी नहीं देखा। फिर मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है वो पहनने से जो भी सुंदर ने वो भी सुंदर लगेगा, उनका ऑर्नामेंट्स इतना बढ़िया होता है।
I've always admired Art Carrot jewelry, but I don't have any actually, because I was lucky. I inherited some very nice jewelry from my husband's family, so we have a lot of old pieces, and I'm glad that I have those, because one could not certainly afford them anymore with the price of gold. So I think it's a great boon, because it's done two things. It has also, it's been affordable, but it's also so beautiful for reviving something that should not die. We are flooded with design from De Beers and here and there and Cartier, but it was high time that there was a significant Indian brand. So I'm very glad about that.
Many years back, while I was at Triveni Kala Sangam, they had a beautiful exhibition there, and I bought quite a few pieces over there. Being a dancer and loving all kinds of beautiful things, I'm very fond of jewelry. And what they offer is very affordable stuff, that you can keep at home. You don't have to put in the bank locker. You can just wear whatever you feel like and mix and match. I'm a Manipuri dancer, and the way we dance in our movements, we try and make them beautiful. I feel that Art Carrot is also on the same lines. They are working, making beautiful pieces, mixing, matching, contrasting.
Art Carrot jewelry is, I always found it to be exquisite, and it is affordable. I think, they've really done an yeoman service to women by designing something and especially reinventing traditional jewelry, made it affordable and, in semi-precious so that people can afford it. I think it's really unique.
I love all the jewelry that they do, and I find it very innovative, and I find her work different. There's no piece which is alike, and I love it. Art Carrot is spectacular.
The jewelry? Well, I think it's very a revival, an effort in revival, both the design as well as making it more user-friendly for a contemporary market. And I think what it does do, which is most relevant, is that it brings back the crafts to the skilled workers, and it does generate employment in a very traditional classical field where it's required.
No, first before that I must define that age, as long as it's productive, you will see the inspiration like what you saw today. Vaijayanti Mala was absolutely, she bowled me absolutely. And to dance like that is like producing a piece of art.
So art karat is really symbolizing something which is so perfect and so good, like the dance of Vaijayanti Mala. It has got strength of a woman. So I would say if art karat is doing this, it's the power of the woman. Now I can define it, art karat, as the power of women. I told you that. And for me, empowerment is the most important thing.
Art karat jewelry is very, very lovely because I think it has all the glamour and the perfection of 100% gold or diamond, and at the same time it is the kind that would not cause you too much concern if you lost it. Very good designs, very, very beautiful, and I think that in the designing they've done a lot promoting the great heritage of Indian jewelry. I compliment them. I think that they're not good, they're excellent.
I'm so happy to be here in Delhi, and I've always loved to come and perform here, and it's a wonderful opportunity that my dear Asha and Kamal Modi of Art Karat have been very, very old friends and dear friends of mine, and they asked me to come and perform here for them, and I said I would. Art Karat, otherwise I wouldn't be here, because I appreciate and I enjoy the creativity in Asha and the very, very supportive husband Kamal, who's also equally important for this Art Karat to be so successful. And I like to congratulate them because they come out with such beautiful pieces of these antique the jewelry which they bring alive by creating them for the people who can afford to buy them, and not at those expensive because antiques you cannot get these days, but they make them so real, so beautiful.
Art Karat, I think, is a different brand. It's one different style in itself, and what's so important about it is that it is employing about 800 artisans from the rural areas. उनको खाने को नहीं मिलता था, वो लोग सुइसाइड कमिट कर रहे थे क्योंकि काम नहीं था उनके पास, उनको इन्होंने रोज़गार प्रदान किया है. और पुरानी जो कलाएं हैं, जो एज ओल्ड ट्रेडिशन ऑफ मेकिंग ज्वेलरी विच आशा जी हैज स्टडीड फ्रॉम द टेम्पल्स ऑफ कोणार्क एंड खजुराहो, and what the erstwhile kings of Rajasthan or the Nawabs of Hyderabad used to wear. She's reviving those designs and the art of jewelry making. So I think that's a very important thing.
I've been admiring her work for a long time. In fact, when she first started, I was wondering what it would turn out to be like, but it's been really each time she has an exhibition, one feels like buying so many things, and I think and she's sort of taken over really the whole field of this jewelry design, because I think she combines the traditional very much with a certain kind of innovation also as far as designing is concerned. So I think that's what makes it, you kind of get out of the old patterns and yet you have a traditional throwback. So, and it's always very pleasant.
Art Karat, as the word it is, itself defines it, in the sense that when we say the word carat, it means the caratage of gold, or in diamonds it means the size of diamond, like 4 carat, 1 carat, whatever. But in Art Karat, the caratage is art. So the basic thought behind it to keep this name was that, and that is what the whole jewelry presents, is art in a jewelry way, in an ornamental way rather than gold and diamond. So we always look to convey that to the clients, and I think now people do appreciate that.
First of all, I think one of my biggest blessings is that I'm blessed with parents such as these. It was not because of them, I don't think I or anybody of us would ever stand a chance. And now I think I feel more responsible, because to carry on such a name which has been just given me because I'm born in this family will be my very humble attempt to take it future. Art Karat means everything to me. It becomes, it's me, everything around me. I breathe it, I live it every single day of my life. Though it is my parents, it is me, everything which I do is for Art Karat.
हम लोगों ने जब ये आर्ट कैरेट आज से ठीक 25 साल पहले शुरू किया था, तो हमें खुद ये उम्मीद नहीं थी कि हम इसको इस ऊंचाई तक ले जाएंगे, और इस नए कॉन्सेप्ट को कि जहाँ हमारे देश की स्त्रियाँ या बाहर के मुल्कों में ये समझते थे कि ज्वेलरी का मतलब है सोना हीरा महंगा होना चाहिए, अगर वो सोने में नहीं बनी है, हीरे से नहीं जड़ी है, तो उसका नाम ज्वेलरी नहीं है, वो आर्टिफिशियल ज्वेलरी के नाम से मानते थे। लेकिन जब ये कॉन्सेप्ट हमने निकाला कि भाई कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हम उसमें सोना ही मिलाएं या हीरे या बेशकीमती पत्थर उसमें हम मिलाएं, उसके बिना भी आर्ट तो हर चीज़ में है। आज जितने भी हमारे सेमी प्रेशियस स्टोन्स हैं या सिल्वर जो हम बेस मेटल यूज़ करते हैं, इट इज़ एज ब्यूटीफुल एज गोल्ड। तो वो आग की तरह से फैल गया हमारी इमेजिनेशन और हमारी एक्सपेक्टेशंस के बियॉन्ड। आप ये देखिए कि फर्स्ट ईयर में हमारी टर्नओवर 8 लाख थी, नाउ वी आर टच्ड नियरली 50 करोड़। तो ये कोई आसान बात नहीं है, और अभी तो खैर बहुत दूर जाना है। अभी भी मैं, मेरी वाइफ, मेरा बेटा, हम लोग सब यही समझते हैं कि समुद्र के किनारे पर खड़े हैं और अभी तो उसकी लहरों ने पैर भी नहीं हमारे भिगोए हैं। 8 कैरेट बहुत कीमती है क्योंकि देखिए इसी से हमारी पहचान बनी है, यहाँ ही नहीं विलायतों में, बाहर के मुल्कों में, अमेरिका में। आज मैं बड़े दावे के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि किसी भी लेडी से जो अच्छे बड़े सभ्य परिवारों से हैं और हैं, आप अगर उनसे ये पूछेंगी कि क्या आप 8 कैरेट के बारे में जानती हैं या ये शब्द कभी सुना है, तो कोई ये नहीं कहेगी कि ये क्या है, हमने तो कभी नहीं सुना। दे ऑल नो अबाउट दिस ब्रांड एंड दे टॉक अबाउट 8 कैरेट विद वेरी रिस्पेक्ट, यू नो, उसकी बहुत प्रशंसा भी करते हैं, तारीफ़ भी करते हैं। तो ये जो एक ब्रांड इमेज और अपनी पहचान हम लोगों ने जो विश्व में बनाई है, जिसकी की भी शुरुआत है अभी, तो बहुत दूर जाना हमको। तो मैं समझता हूँ ये बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है। आशा जी का हमेशा एक ये फोटे रहा है कि ज्वेलरी फील्ड में जो चीज़ एक औरत की ख्वाहिश होती है, उसका एक विज़न होता है, एक ड्रीम होता है कि काश कभी ऐसा मेरे पास भी होता, और वो नहीं अफोर्ड कर सकती है क्योंकि गोल्ड में, डायमंड में वो चीज़ बहुत महंगी हो जाती है, रूबी पन्ना लगा के। तो उन्होंने जो ये नया निकाला एक कॉन्सेप्ट, और इसमें उनकी हर ख्वाहिश को पूरा कर दे, एक नहीं हर ख्वाहिश को पूरा कर देती हैं। मैंने देखा है लेडीज़ आती हैं, आंखों में पानी होता है, अपने चीज़ों के दाम भी देती हैं, फिर उनके लिए गिफ्ट भी लेके आती, फिर उनको डिनर पे भी ले जा, इतना सम्मान देती हैं। क्यों? कि उन्होंने उनकी उस डिज़ायर को पूरा किया है जो कभी उनका एक ख्वाब था कि शायद इस जन्म में तो पूरा नहीं होगा। अगर आज अब किसी बिटिया को ये कहा जाए कि तुम्हें 5 लाख रुपया गोल्ड की ज्वेलरी ख़रीदने के लिए दिया जा रहा है, तो आप ये लेना चाहोगी या बाहर जाके पढ़ोगी? तो शी इज़ मोर इंटरेस्टेड इन मेकिंग अ कैरियर rather than spending money on jewelry or keeping it in locker, and after a while it becomes obsolete. So वो जो चीज़ है, और ख्वाहिश कहीं जाएगी नहीं। जो एक नारी है, स्त्री है, उसको अपने आप को सजाने का तो उसका जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है। तो she needs something, you know. That's what we are trying to provide.